Alright, well, here I am on my first ride with my new mirrors, and I've only gone a few blocks, but I'll have to say, the fact that I can get them as wide as I can is fantastic, because those of you who know me know that I'm a huge fat ass and I'm broad, and usually all I see in the mirrors are my elbows. I can barely see my elbows in the mirrors. I mean, I have them set that from the elbows out. I can see clearly down the road, and I can see they're curved enough that I can see what's next to me. I haven't had any kind of real buzzing issues, but like I said, I've only gone a few blocks. I'm going to have a little lunch, and then I'm going to get on the highway and see what they do. But right now, they are pretty damn good. I'm pretty happy with it. I wasn't sure. I was like, they're going to be too buzzy. They are not too buzzy. They are just right. And you see they're ram mounts. So if I wanted to, I could take one off and mount the camera on a different position. Say I'm off-roading or whatever. I just want to change it up. I mean, normally the camera's here on a pole. I could put it here on a pole. Although I have an idea about a ball, putting a ball on the end of this rod, so I could just stick the camera right here if I want to. That way it's out of the way of the instrument cluster, gives you the 360. We'll see. I'm getting on the highway now to see how they handle on the highway. It's funny the way the wind is blowing around them from the windshield. I don't think they'll blow in. Just feeling that out. There's almost no wind touching these mirrors right now. They're pretty nice. I like the curvature. I don't know what the right word I should use there. The objects are easily seen, very clear. I'm not disappointed. Not even a hair disappointed.